Yes.
So what exactly we have discussed in the last session? What we have done, please? Have understood? What is DevOps in the last session, please? So what is DevOps? We understood in the last session. Today, we are going to be discussing about what is a cloud, what is multi-cloud. We are going to be discussing for today, guys, please. What is DevOps? And today we are focused on what is cloud, what is multi-cloud, we are going to be discussing for today. So what we have discussed in the last session, let us repeat again within 5 minutes. Then we will move forward to understand what is a cloud, what is a multi-cloud. Let us understand for today. Yeah. So tell me. So before starting the session, I have asked you a few questions. Which are all those guys, please? What are the first question? What is an application? What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application we're gonna be placed on server side. Once if it is placed on server side, we can access or it as a website like Flipkart or Amazon, book my show. And what about SDLC? SDLC is a software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle. By helping of software development lifecycle, we can able to produce an application and we can able to do business in internet like Flipkart or Amazon book my show. But if you want to build a Redbus kind of application, what I need to do, please? What are the first step, guys, please? In this SDLC process, we have a several stages like analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. But if you want to build a Flipkart or Redbus kind of application, what are the first step, guys, please? So we need to gather the information. First step is what? Analysis. Means gathering information from the client. How exactly the login page, registration page, payment gateway, each and everything will be gathered. Based on gathering information, our architects will be designed. Design is nothing but a plan. According to the planning, our developers will implement the lines of code. Once if it is an implement the lines of code, we're gonna be accessing our internet as a website like Flipkart or Amazon, book my show. But once if it is accessing our internet, we're gonna be monitor and maintenance. So after successfully writing a lines of code, we're gonna be verified thoroughly. Once if it is verified, we're gonna be placed our applications on hundreds of servers. Once if it is deployed, we can access our internet. But whether it is working or not, we're gonna be monitor and maintenance. This entire process, which you are calling as what? Software development lifecycle. If you are a software engineer, directly or indirectly, we are part of our SDLC process. If you are a developer, can write the lines of code. If you are a tester, can verify the functionality. But if you are a DevOps engineer, what exactly you are gonna be? Let us understand. DevOps means what? The combination of software development plus operation. We call as what? DevOps. That means our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. That means we are part of coding, building, testing, release, deploy, operation, and monitor. To be frankly, we are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. Is DevOps is a technology? No, DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is a process. DevOps is a process. DevOps is an automated process. DevOps is not a technology like Java, .NET, Python. DevOps is a process, an automated process. While implementing an automated process, we are going to be following some set of rules and principles. Then, for example, let's say, let me explain this with an example. Usually, the developers are keep on writing lines of code. These lines of code we're going to be delivering into the production environment within a shortest time with high quality with low cost is nothing but what exactly our DevOps transparent sorry our DevOps transparent pipeline. But actually, as a DevOps engineer, we're gonna be replacing complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. Our SDLC is a our SDLC is a complex pipeline. Why we are calling SDLC process a complex pipeline? Because if it is a manual process. From analysis to design, design to implementation, implementation testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance, it is a manual process. Due to this manual process, if you got an issue, any problem in the middle of the process, for identification, it will take long time. For resolving issue also, it will take long time. That means automatically cost will be increased, the quality will be decreased. Cost will be increased, the quality will be a decreased case. So for example, let's say this is a water pipeline underground gas, please. This is a pipeline underground. So it is a blockage, it is not a leakage. Can able to find immediately? No, it can't be. So for identification, it will take couple of days. For resolving issues, it will take couple of days. In meanwhile, our customers are not satisfied. The same way here also, if you got an issue, any problem, for identification, it will take long time. For resolving issues, it will take long time. That means the cost will be increased, the quality will be decreased. Customer is not satisfied. That is the reason we are gonna be replacing so complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. Transparent pipeline. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, everything is an automated, everything is transparent. The same way, our DevOps process is an automated process. Even though if you got an issue, any problem, easily we can able to identify and easily we can able to rectify our problem and we can able to deliver our application as soon as possible. That means the cost will be reduced, the quality will be increased, and customer also satisfied. That is the reason we are gonna be replacing complex pipeline with a DevOps transparent pipeline. So the actual DevOps transparent pipeline is look like this only. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have a planning, coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment. Ends with what? Operation. Means we are part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. But we are not a part of planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. Clear. But for implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we are gonna be using some tools type. Which are all the tools type we're gonna be learning? First, let it be list down. Git, we are gonna be using. GitLab, we are gonna be using. Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, and Ansible, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Elk Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, Grafana, and Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools like Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, ELK, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, Grafana, Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools, we are gonna be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. Clear all of you? But while implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, whatever the lines of code, these lines of code, we're gonna be delivering into the production environment within a shortest time, with high quality, with low cost, low failure rate is nothing but what exactly our DevOps transparent pipeline. But while implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, while implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we required infrastructure also. While implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we required infrastructure. Tell me what is infrastructure, anybody? What is infra? What is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? And before understanding what is infrastructure, tell me what is an application? What is an application? What is an exactly application? The application is nothing but a website. Application is nothing but a website, simply which we are calling. Application is nothing but a website. But for maintaining this website, for deploying this website, what kind of infrastructure is it? My question is, for maintaining this website, what kind of infrastructure is required? Majorly, servers are required, networks are required, database is required, storage is required, and so on. These are all major infrastructure is required for deploying our application and maintaining our websites. So for example, let's say, to understand, I'll give an example. If you want to conduct this DevOps class, what kind of infrastructure is required? We require a laptop, internet, tables, chairs, projector, TV. These are all infrastructure is required for conducting our DevOps class. Same way, for deploying the Flipkart kind of application, what kind of infrastructure is required? What kind of infrastructure is required? Majorly, servers are required, networks are required, databases are required, storage is required, and so on. But how many ways we can able to get it? How many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? We can able to get this infrastructure either by physical environment or by virtual environment or from cloud. Or from cloud. Yeah. So whatever infrastructure is required, this infrastructure, we can able to get it either physical environment, virtual environment, or from cloud. But to specifically, what is cloud? And to specifically, what is cloud computing? If you can access the remote placed resources over internet from a laptop is nothing but what exactly cloud computing. Repeat again. What is the cloud computing? If we can access over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. But before understanding cloud computing, we should understand what is a data center. What is an exactly data center? What is a data center, guys, please? They use computing power keeping in a rack house. In a big room, we calling as a data center. These data centers are located in different geographical locations. Like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, in Hyderabad. In so many places, these data centers are located. If we can access, if we can control, These resources over internet from a laptop is nothing but what exactly? The cloud computing. Is nothing but what exactly? The cloud computing. Okay, let me explain with the slides, please. So what is the data center? We understood. These data centers are located in different geographical locations. Different geographical locations. These cloud data centers are located in different remote placed resources. From these remote placed resources, whatever infrastructure is required, either servers, network, database, storage, over internet from your laptop, if we can access, we are called as what? Cloud computing. But any cloud is a rental based infrastructure only. Any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. By using any cloud, we can't able to buy anything. We are not maintaining any infrastructure. Okay, cloud is a rental based infrastructure, but we are not buying in. We are not maintaining anything express. It is just like a car, rental car. How you are getting rental car, how you are gonna be using. The same way we can able to use our AWS infrastructure or any cloud infrastructure. Example, let's say, so if for example you want to go to rally by car, how many ways we can able to get a car? Yeah, either you can able to get a new car or a rental car. We can able to get it. But just for reaching railway station, are you buying a new car or a rental car, guys, please? Definitely rental car, am I right? Definitely a rental car. Whatever, just book a wala car, getting into the car, reach your railway station, whatever tariff we need to maintain, we need to pay. Not required to maintain anything, not required driving license, pollution check, and monthly maintenance. It's not required. The same way, just for deploying our Flipkart kind of applications. What kind of infrastructure we require? We can able to get it from cloud. Instead of buying and maintenance, we can able to get it from cloud and we can able to maintain. But which cloud we gonna be learning? We're gonna be learning AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. These two clouds we are gonna be learning. We're gonna be learning these two clouds, guys, please. We're going to be learning multi-cloud, not only one cloud. We are going to be learning AWS cloud and Microsoft Azure cloud. Sir, why Microsoft? Why AWS? Why multi-cloud? So multi-cloud means what? Yes, multiple clouds. So whatever infrastructure we require, what we are understanding, that infrastructure, we can able to get it either by AWS or Microsoft Azure or a Google also. So whatever infrastructure is required for deploying an application, yes, either by AWS, Google, Azure. But naming conventions are different. For example, file storage. In AWS, EFS, in Google, Jdfs, in Azure files. But The same product, the same service, we can able to get it from different. So actually, we require this infrastructure. Yes, we can be able to get it from AWS, Google, or Azure. And but what is an edge? What is an advantage by using multi-cloud? What is an advantage, guys, please? Basically, the advantages are cost saving. We can able to cost saving by using multi-cloud, better flexibility, and better reliability, better performance, better improve the security. These are all the features which we can able to get it by using multi-cloud. For example, let's say you want to buy a product in online. Maybe your choice might be Amazon. Might be if you ask me, my choice is Flipkart. The same product people can buy through different portal like Azure, like Flipkart, Amazon, different kind of thing. But the same thing here also. What exactly the product owner can choose AWS or Azure or a Google based on this their need. Based on that, we can't restrict to only working using only AWS. We restrict only Azure. It's not possible publicly. It is a customer choice, business owner choice. But as a admin, we need to learn AWS, Azure, and definitely this multi-cloud is very important, important to learn in work location. Yeah, got it very clearly. But how to organize this multi-cloud? How exactly we can able to simultaneously working with multi-cloud? Is there any central point? Yes, we have by using Terraform. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. By helping of Terraform, by helping of Terraform, we can able to we can able to work with multi-cloud. So how exactly we gonna be writing a script and we can execute on any cloud and we can create whatever infrastructure, either network, application, storage, security, and cloud infrastructure. By using Terraform, easily we can able to manage and easily we can able to control our multi-cloud. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. Yeah, we can work with AWS, we can work with Microsoft Azure. Clear? Is it perfect, all of you? Sure. Understood this? Up to this point, any questions, please? Do you have any questions, please? So I hope you people are understands very clearly what is the major difference between cloud and multi-cloud, and what is the major difference between DevOps with cloud. So by using DevOps process, we are going to be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. While implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we require infrastructure. That infrastructure, either we can able to get it by using AWS or Microsoft Azure. Either we can able to get it by AWS or by Microsoft Azure. Either by AWS or by Microsoft Azure, any cloud. But what is AWS? What is Microsoft Azure? What is the difference between these two? We'll discuss by tomorrow. We'll discuss by tomorrow's session, not for today. That's it, guys. Please, up to this point, do you have any questions? Please. Whatever we have discussed up to this point, do you have any questions, please? All of you.
No, sir, don't have a question.
Anil, yeah. Santosh.
Yes.
Yeah. Any questions?
Oh, sir, actually, I'm working in SBI, State Bank of India, GITC Global Center. Actually, they are using Megdut private cloud.
Okay.
So, if can I relate something where in this class also, because I
Yeah,
don't
it
have
will.
idea
Yeah,
on this.
definitely it will be private cloud, public cloud, two kinds of clouds. We hybrid cloud also there.
Uh,
We will be, don't worry. Okay. But try to
Okay,
understand.
okay, sir. Sir, actually, I have arranged two, three people in my colleagues. They also joined day after tomorrow.
Please let them join tomorrow. Better.
So also I'll talk to your.
Please let them join tomorrow.
Okay,
They can attend. They will decide first. Let them
okay,
attend join first the demos,
okay,
and then they can decide. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Mohammed Ali, please. Mohammed Asim, please. Sorry. Shaikh, Santosh, Saurav. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. Great. Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Please, Saurav, please.
Yeah, yes, sir. No more question for me from my side.
Please. Yeah. Before taking your more questions, okay. Let us give the roadmap. So as of right now, up to this point, we are understood very clearly what is cloud, what is multi-cloud. By helping of multi-cloud, we can able to get infrastructure, whatever infrastructure we require, whatever infrastructure we require, we can able to get it from cloud, either AWS or Azure. On top of this cloud infrastructure, we can able to implement an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. That is in exactly we have understood up to this point. Okay. So that's it, guys. Please for understanding for today. Before closing the session, let us revise one more time. So our roadmap and what we are going to be discussing. What is the flow for classes? Let it be write down the roadmap of our course, please. So basically, we're going to be covering Linux basics and shell script, and then we're going to be start multi-cloud. In multi-cloud, AWS, Azure. Under multi-cloud, totally we're dividing into the four modules, three modules. Sorry. Compute model, storage model, networks model, database modeling. Yes. So compute model, we'll discuss about under. I'm going to be discussing with the in AWS cloud as well as Azure cloud also. Same way. In storage also we can. Yes, same. In network also same. In database also same. But whatever we are learning, but that will be we are going to be learning with what? In GUI, graphical user interface, we're going to be learning like this. By using this internet portal, we can work with that GUI graphical. By click itself, we can able to create infrastructure. Okay. But second is CLI command line. By executing command, we can able to create infrastructure in the cloud, and then TF, RLCF, cloud formation, and ARM, and Terraform. Okay, these many ways we're gonna be learning our multi-cloud. That's what it's taking time. Then we're gonna be discussing about DevOps. DevOps with multi-cloud. DevOps with what? Multi-cloud. In DevOps with multi-cloud, In DevOps multi-cloud, we're going to be discussing Ansible model, Docker and Kubernetes model, and CI/CD. Under CI/CD, you know very well Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, GitLab, Grafana. We are going to be discussing. And under monitoring, Elk we are going to be discussing, and Grafana also we're going to be discussing. This is our roadmap of our course. Okay, and including this for in this duration itself, we're gonna be covering projects also. So many projects also will be covered. Many projects also covered. For example, let's say under multi-cloud, we're gonna be discussing 4 projects will be covered. Totally 2 projects on AWS, 2 projects on Microsoft Azure. We're gonna be discussing the same way by using Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, we're going to be implementing CI/CD pipeline. And Ansible will do one project here. And Docker and Kubernetes one project. And we're going to be discussing by end we'll do one complete project. We're going to be discussing. So we will be complete projects, but including this course duration itself, not extra time. We're not spending extra time. So the projects also will be covered internally. Internally, guys, please. Okay, that is what exactly our roadmap of our course. Fine, great. And before taking your questions again, but let us revise again our course. If somebody is new, let them get benefit. Patel, it is around 4 to 6 projects, and 4 to 6 projects we'll discuss in the real time use cases also. Fine. Fine. So what is the course overview? Yes, please. Totally 3 courses will be covered. DevOps with multi-cloud, Azure administration, AWS administration. So what is the total duration? 5 months duration. Linux basics will be covered. Shell script will be covered. No programming. Java.NET is not required. You require a laptop with this configuration for daily practice. It is a minimum configuration. If it is more than this, also very good. Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. Any graduate can also join in this course. Which are all the benefits, guys? Please, daily recordings, videos after the payment via a Google Drive we can access. From date of registration, you're gonna be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question and answers, 4 real-time projects, and soft materials I'm going to be providing with you. Our course starts with very basic level, finish with what advanced level. Each and every class is a practical implemented in front of you that you need to practice in your laptop. The classes are 1 hour every day. So 9:30 to 10:30. So the classes from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is a completely holiday. This is our admin number. Please call this number at any point of time. You can call it and you can WhatsApp. So what is the number? 9297 7. This is our admin number. Okay, I'm gonna be copy paste in the chat box. Please be get it out. That's it. Okay. So guys, please, that's it, guys, please, for today's session. So we have understood what is a DevOps, what is cloud, what is a multi-cloud. And tomorrow we're gonna be discussing about what is AWS, what is Azure. The complete deep discussion about tomorrow's session about cloud, AWS cloud. Okay, and how exactly we can able to utilize the resources, that is exactly for tomorrow's session. And tomorrow we're gonna be start our regular classes. Tomorrow we're gonna be start our regular classes. Yes, please. Means we're gonna be start our practical implementation. Okay, these are all the projects we're gonna be discussing in cloud also, that we'll be discussing by tomorrow, not for today. But that's it, guys, please, for today. So today we understood 2 demos are completed. So tomorrow onwards, we're gonna be start our practical, our regular sessions. If anybody interested, please be do the registration. Means do the payment, and we'll continue by tomorrow, please. Okay, please continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be understand what is AWS, how to getting into the AWS, how to create how we're gonna be start our practical session by tomorrow onwards will be started. That's it. That's it, guys. Please for today's session. Okay. Any questions, please? Do you have any questions? You can unmute. You can talk to me. Mohammed Santosh Kumar, please.
Sir, if I complete this course, so will I get any certificate from the DurgaSoft?
Yeah, they will be. You can able to get a course completed certificate.
Because I need to show my company, I can
Yeah, you
get my
can. Yes.
reimbursement.
Yes, you can. You can, Santosh. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Mohammed Asim, please. Do you have any question?
Yes, I wanted to know when we will discuss about clouds. Do we have a playground to do the practical on
Tomorrow.
AWS and as
Tomorrow onwards, how to create AWS account, how to create servers. That will be start
no,
from regular sessions tomorrow.
okay, and do we have just only the video sessions?
Can you come again, please? Your question, please.
Like the video sessions, not to just basic, I mean the advanced level. If somebody wanted to cover the services of clouds, and so instead of basics, he just need the advanced level training. Is there any course for advanced level, or do you have any videos?
No, nothing.
Like
So whatever I'm teaching, it will be recorded and I will forward to you the recording so you can practice. Totally, it is a live sessions. Everything is live, but I'm practicing purpose. I'm recorded. I will share with you after the class. Also, you can practice with help of the recording. That is the first thing. And whatever I'm teaching in cloud, it is advanced level. Totally, it is around more than. That's what I clearly mentioned. So not only we're discussing with DevOps multi-cloud, Azure administration will be covered, AWS admin. That means totally it is around 45 plus services we're going to be discussing in depth. We're implementing end-to-end projects on cloud also.
okay, so first we will start from AWS or
AWS cloud multi-cloud.
okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
we are going to be implementing these many kinds of projects after understanding all the services. That will come to, I will come to it. We'll discuss it more. But we can't discuss all
Okay.
together in a single day. That's what we're dividing into the parts.
Yeah, okay.
And
That's
demos
fine.
also, we're dividing into the parts. Which one? Yeah. Yeah. Great question. Yeah. Yeah. So
Hello, sir.
please.
Yeah, sir. After completion, as Santosh sir asked you, my one question is, after completion successfully completion of this course, is getting certificate from DurgaSoft itself or AWS or Azure certification?
No, that is different. And AWS certification is different. Azure certification is different. That you can able to do it also. After complete, that is your, you have to pay
Okay.
it from your pocket. But so what our student asked me, Santosh asked me questions, are after completion of the course, he asked me the complete certificate that he will show you the whatever he payment he done in DurgaSoft, he'll be reimbursed from his company.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But AWS certification is different than this. He want to whether he
Okay.
complete done or not, he will claim his fees amount, whatever paying the amount, fees amount in DurgaSoft, he can claim in the office. That's what.
And
Okay,
sir,
sir.
I have one more question.
Please, Mohammed.
Related to certifications, like what is the exact certification we
So
were
in
able to do?
AWS Solution Architect certificate, he can able to do it in AWS.
And
In
in
Azure, he can
Azure,
able to 104. Azure AZ 104.
10.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 400 also, you can do that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Sakshi, please, Sakshi. Saurabh, yeah, done already. Santosh, done. Sakshi, please. Patel, please. Aarti Patel. Huh? Any question, please, Sakshi and Aarti Patel? Yeah. Shall we continue, please, all of you? Yeah, we'll continue by tomorrow, please, all of you. Thank you. Thank you. If you anybody interested, please do the registration and we'll continue. Thank you. Thanks. We'll start from tomorrow regular sessions. Good night. Good night, all of you.